Good morning guys. In today's video we will be repairing the PlayStation 3. This PlayStation 3 is displaying the error symptom of not powering on. As a common issue with PS3 systems, it results in the inability to power on. Firstly, I will try turning it on with my workbench PSU because it could be an issue of a weak power supply unit. I connect the PSU with some extended wires and power on the main power. But the power symptom has changed. It means that it also has another issue along with the power supply unit. Let's take the motherboard out of its console. For this, I have to disassemble it. After connecting the power wires again, now I will check for the available GPU and CPU power rails and the power section of the South Bridge chip as well. To diagnose the issue, I will inspect all relevant parts and check their functionality. And as the power section for the South Bridge chip is clearly in order because the system is turning on properly, the oscilloscope must be in analog mode. The power sections for the GPU chip are functioning normally. The power section for the CPU is also in order. The input oscillations for the inductors are in order and the output volts are available. 1.8 volts for the DC to DC converters are available. DC to DC converters input 1.8 volts are available, but the output volts are not in order. If something is wrong, it needs to check the biases. Two point two kilo ohms and 2.2 kilo ohms, and this one at 90 ohms. Okay. The resistors here are also good at their values. I must check the biases of the second DC to DC converter biases. 1.8 kilo ohms. The feedback coupling resistor should be at 55 ohms and this one at 1.8 kilo ohms. Okay. Let's check for the fuses. Both are intact. But there one of the fuses is blown up. The rest is fine. Here I need to check for a short circuit. Amazingly, there is no short circuit at both terminals of the fuse. But the fuse is blown. I can get a good fuse from this toner board. I am replacing a fuse from this motherboard as I don't have a new fuse. After the replacement, I checked its value, which was correct. After inserting the HDD and placing the heat sinks, I powered on the console, and now it is stable. And the display appeared. And the display appears indicating that the console is now fixed. You can see that our struggle has been successful and the display is still on the screen. This is the story of fixing this game console, and I hope it was both informative and enjoyable for you. Thank you and may God bless you. Goodbye.